Hi, I'm Rachel Gray. Welcome to my cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken piccata. Chicken piccata is one of my favorite things I learned how to make in Italy. The chicken is dredged in flour and then it's fried, so the chicken inside is moist and tender. It has a beautiful lemon sauce that goes over the top with some briny capers. It's perfect served alongside some angel hair pasta. So let me show you how I make it. Let's go over the ingredients we'll need to make chicken piccata. We need 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. We need a half a cup of flour. We need a small shallot, 2 lemons, 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of capers, and some parsley. 1 cup of chicken stock, some salt and pepper, and some vegetable oil. Before I get started on anything else, I'm going to turn my oven to 200 degrees. Take 2 tablespoons of capers out of my jar, and then I'm going to give them a quick rinse and drain them. A caper is actually a flower bud that hasn't opened yet from the caper bush. They're found in the Mediterranean. They're picked before they open up, and then they're in a brine. Once my capers, shallots, lemons, and parsley are prepped, then I'll just put them to the side. Now it's time for my chicken breast. I can take each chicken breast and I can put some plastic wrap over the top and then pound it and then cut them in half. Or what I like to do is take a chicken breast and put it this way on my board, kind of flatten it out a little bit, and then I take my knife and I just put it right there in the middle of that, and then I put my hand on the top and I kind of push the knife up a little into my hand, and then I open it like a book and I've got a nice thin chicken cutlet. Now if it's still a little thick at the top, I can pound it out and it's a lot less work. I just need to pound the part that's fat so that it's all even. Once I have my chicken all pounded out and they're even thickness, I'm going to take my board and my knife and everything and my hands and wash them. And then I'll put this away so I don't cross-contaminate anything. In a shallow pie plate, I'm going to add my flour and some salt and some pepper. And I'm just going to stir that together with a fork. I'm going to take each chicken breast and just dredge it in the flour. Now they're ready to fry. I'm going to take a large fry pan and put it on medium heat, and then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil to the pan. Once the oil is shimmering, then I know that it's hot. Another way to tell is just drop a teeny bit of flour in, and if it starts to bubble up, then the oil's hot. I'm going to take each chicken cutlet and place it in the oil. Because they're large, I'm going to need to do it in batches. I want to cook the cutlet until it's cooked all the way through. This is why you don't want your heat too hot. Otherwise, your chicken won't be cooked all the way through. Once I can see that the cutlets are starting to be halfway cooked, then I'll check them. Once the chicken breasts are all brown, then I'm going to cover them and put them into the oven. At this point, I'm going to have just a little teeny bit of oil left in the pan, and if I don't, then I just need to add maybe a little bit of butter or some more oil. And I'm going to add my shallots and just cook them down a little bit. I just want those shallots to get a little soft And then I'm going to add my 1 cup of chicken broth. And after I add the chicken stock, I'll add my lemons. Then I'm just gonna reduce that down by about half. Once the sauce is reduced down, it probably takes about 4 minutes. Then you wanna add your reserved lemon juice and the capers. And we're just gonna mix that together for about a minute. After it's had a chance to tighten up a little bit, then we're gonna add a little bit of butter. This will help make the sauce beautiful and silky. And we're gonna stir in the parsley. And now the sauce has come together, all that's left to do is pour it over the chicken. I've just pulled the chicken out of the oven and the sauce is finished. Just gonna pour it down over the top. And there it is, an Italian favorite, chicken piccata. It's got that beautiful, silky, tart, lemony sauce with the capers and the super moist chicken. Serve it alongside some angel hair and you'll have a beautiful dinner for your family. You can find this recipe and over 200 other recipes on my blog, cookingwithrachel101.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Subscribing is free. And if you want to be notified every time I post a new video, hit the bell. Let me know how you like this recipe by leaving me a comment in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Lovely chicken piccata all to myself.